Hello students, welcome to Akasha Garuda. Here you can learn all exam topics. So let's start today's class. Yes. So let's start today's class. Today's class is based on calendars concept. Today's class is based on calendars concept. Let's see what calendar is today. So in calendars, it is a concept of UPSC CSAT. So in that calendars concept is also there. So we'll be seeing that particular concept. So here in this class, we'll be covering the entire calendars concept from basics to advanced. From basics to advanced. Even one who does not know the maths can even learn the calendars very easily. So please do watch this particular video full and comment your answers and queries in the comment section. So we'll start the class right now. Yes. So in calendars, we'll see the dates. We'll see usually the dates. We'll see the dates and day, and yes, dates and days that we'll be seeing in the calendar part. So we'll be looking for a date and for a day. So coming back to the concept. So from the basics I'm going. So in calendars, first we'll see the years. So in years we are having two types of years. In years we are having two types of year. One is normal year. First type of year is normal year. The second type is leap year. In normal year we are having 365 days. Leap year we are having 366 days. Why it is in the sense, February will be having 28 days. February has 28 days and 366 days. For a leap year which has 366 days, it has 29 days. February month it has how many days? 29 days it is having. So fine. Now coming for month. It is all about year. Only these 2 points are there. Nothing extra and nothing more. So fine. Now coming to months, we are having 12 months. We are having 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So in every month, these number of days will be common. January will be always having 31 days. January will be always having how many days? It will be having only 31 days. February for a normal year will be having 28 days. For a leap year it will be having 29 days. So apart from February, March always will be having 31, 30. Here July is having 31 days, but again here it should come 30 days. See here, the small concept here in this, the concept start like this. It is the first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month, sixth month, seventh month. After a period of 7 months, again it will start from new. Like new cycle. So again it will start from 31, 30, 31, 30 and 31. So always in every year, for a normal year you can find 31, 28 and the remaining combinations, and for a leap year you can find 31, 29 and the remaining combinations. So the number of days for any of the month is fixed. So if March having 31 days, that means it has 31 days throughout every year, every repeating years, every next year you can take. So fine. I hope you have understood why it is July 31. Again August it is 31. See here, July is 7th month. After 7th month it is 31. Fine. Again, since 7th month, after a cycle of 7 months, again a new cycle starts where the month will be having 31 days. From there it starts 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. Fine. Now I hope you have understood the month part. Now we'll just see here the week. Here will come about for week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday we have taken. So Monday I am coding as 1. Monday I am coding as what? 1. Thursday I am coding as 2. Wednesday I am coding as 3. Thursday are 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 it might be. Even 0 is also a code for Sunday. I'll say why it is. So what you can do is see here, I'm taking you can take this code as it is. Like Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3, Thursday is 4, Friday is 5, Saturday is 6, Sunday is 7. The last one is Sunday, the first one is Monday. So you can have a cycle from Monday to Sunday, starting from Monday, ending to Sunday. Okay, fine. I hope you have understood this particular slide and the concept in this particular slide. Now let me go for the next one. Next part, let us see. See here there is again a concept of extra days. There is in calendars we are having a concept of extra days. Concept of extra days. So extra days is nothing but I'll just give an example. From the example I'll try to explain you. So 1 month having 4 weeks. 1 month having how many weeks? It has 4 weeks. So 1 week having 7 days. 1 week having 7 days. So if you are multiplying these two, we'll get 28 days. But we are having 30 or 31 days in a month. 30 or 31 days in a month. That means we are having 2 or 3 days extra. We are having 2 days extra. If 2 days extra, it becomes 30 days. If 3 days extra, it becomes from 28, it becomes 31 days. So these 2 or 3 days extra are called extra days. These are called extra days. Or you can say the definition like number of days apart from weekdays are called extra days or odd days. Here it is extra. Okay, now it is, I hope you have understood this particular definition. So this 2 or 3 days, the extra what we are getting apart from 28 days, they are called extra days. So fine, for 1 year, for a month they are getting 2 days or 3 days as extra days. Likewise, you calculate for a year. We are calculating now for a year. So 365 divided by 7. See here, where there is a rule, wherever you see the number, if number is more than or equal to 7, divide it by 7. I'll say where and all you should divide it by 7. So to find the odd days, to find how many odd days or extra days are there in a year, to find that, you just take that 365 and divide that by 7. So the remainder you will be getting is 1. The remainder that you will be getting, just I've specified here remainder. So the remainder here is 1. So you can check, you can solve yourself like this way. 365 divided by 7. 3 5s are 35. 1. So 15 here it comes from. So 14. 2s are 1. See here, 1 extra day. This one says extra. This one is extra day. Here this 52 says what? 52 weeks. 52 week. This 7 says what? 1 week having 7 days. 1 week having 7 days. In a year total 52 weeks and plus 1 extra day. So here this all says a year having 52 weeks. Okay, fine. Now just here, likewise in a leap year, in a one normal year, it is for normal year. If you are taking for a leap year, it has 366 days. Divide that by 7. Here you will get remainder 2. The remainder 2 in the sense you are getting 2 extra days. 2 extra days it is. 2 extra days it is. Here also it is 2, here it is 1 extra day, here it is 2 extra days. Okay, fine. Now there is some points, points that we have to consider, points we have to take into there. Sir, whatever I am saying right now for you is all the basics that you have learned, but you would have not known that can also be used to solve the questions. So I'm just recalling all your basics. From the basics only we will be solving the questions. So centuric year is not a leap year. Centuric year is not a leap year. You just keep this in mind. 100th year, that is 100th year. 100th year is not leap year. 100th year is not leap year. Okay. Now a year which is divisible by 4. A year which is divisible by 4 is called a leap year. A year which is divisible by 4 is called a leap year. Even though 100th year is divisible by 4, it is not a leap year. So a year which is divisible by 4 is called a leap year. So again the third point is every 4th century year. Every 4th century year is leap year. Every 4th century year is leap year in the sense 4 century in the sense 100. 400 is a leap year. So likewise multiples of 400 like 400, 800, 1200. Simply, or else in other way you can say take 4 on the table. Take 4 on the table. For all the answers of 4 on the table, you just multiply those answers with 100. Those answers with 100. Those years are called 4th century leap years. 4th century is leap year, or which comes in that particular series. So these years are called leap year. These years are called leap year. 1600, 2000, 2400. These years are called leap years. Okay. Now let's see the next concept. So I hope you have understood this particular slide. In this particular slide, the important part here is extra days. How to calculate extra days? That is what here. To calculate extra days, you just need to divide that any of the given number by 7. If it is more than 7, the remainder says the extra days. Fine. Now let us see the next one. See here. Just a second. I'll erase this. Okay. Now in previous slides we have seen year. For years we have seen, for normal year how many days extra, for leap years how many days extra, and some 3 points we have seen. Now I have told in the example while defining the definition of extra days, I have told what is extra days. So likewise if you are calculating for each of the month, so you just here in this particular thing you just need to remember this particular thing. For January how many days exactly it is, for February for normal year how many days, for leap year how many days. Likewise the same for March, April, May, June till December how many days extra days. All these numbers are, it is just a alternative of 30, 31, 30, 31. As you know all 12 months name, you just need to add how many days it is having, that's it. So subtract those many days from 28. 31 minus 28 is 3. The extra days for May is 3. Likewise for June is 2. Likewise for July is 3. For August is 3. And September is also 2. October 3. November 2. December 3. Likewise even above here March 3. April 2. And for February normal year it is 0. For normal year it is 0. For leap year it is 1. If it is 1, 29 minus 28 is 1. Fine. I have just calculated it for normal year total how many extra days I am getting. For normal year how many extra days I am getting. So for normal year we are getting 29 extra days. How many extra days we are getting? 29 extra days. For leap year how many extra days we are getting? 30 extra days we are getting. So this particular part you no need to remember, you just have to remember this particular table, like 31 minus 28 is for March it is 3. If you just remember these numbers, it is not a code, it is entirely of basic mathematics. You are just subtracting the total number of days in a month with 28, you are getting the extra days. Those extra days are important to calculate or to simplify for any given date to find the day for its exact day. Now see here, normal year it has 29 days, for leap year it has 30 days. So I hope you have understood this particular slide, like this particular part of the concept. So now let's like go on for next one. See here, for a year, for one normal year, it is one extra day. For one leap year, it is two extra day. Now for 100 years, I am taking a set of 100 years. How many extra days are there? We have to find. How many extra days are there? Extra days or odd days are there? We have to find. So for 100 years, how much it is? So see here, every year for to calculate, to know whether the given year is a leap year or not. Suppose 16 is there. Whether I want to know whether this particular 16th year is a leap year or not. What I will do, I will divide it by 4. So the remainder goes 0. That means it is completely divisible by 4. So that means the 16th year is a leap year. Now again one more concept applies with this division of 4 itself. So if suppose 16, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, so the remainder is 0 here. Now you see, in this 16 years, leap years are how many years? 4 times leap years will come. 4 times leap years are coming. That means in a span of 1 to 16 years, we are having 4 leap years. If I could take one more example of 71, divide that by 4. Obviously it will not be divisible by 4. 4 ones are 4, 3 goes this side. 31 it is, 31 in the sense 4 sevens are 28. 31 minus 28 gives balance of 3. Remainder of 3. See here, in this 71st year is not a leap year. Because it is not divisible by 4. The remainder is not, we are not getting 0 as remainder. But here 17 times it is divisible. In the sense, in this span of from first year to 71th year, or span of from 1 to 71, we are having 71 leap years. That we can conclude from this particular step. It is all basic calculations I will be taking, basic methods, basic procedures that you have followed in the mathematics, elementary mathematics. The same I will be taking and making you understand this calendars concept. Fine. Now in the similar way, we will just take it now for, will be just taking now, solving it in the same manner. We will be solving now for 100 years. So I have taken 100 years, 100 divided by 4. The answer I am getting here 25. The answer I am here getting 25. It is actually correct, but in a previous concept I have told that century year is not a leap year. Century year is not a leap year. Therefore, out of century year was also taken into consideration. Now what I will do is century year, that is 100th year. That particular year I am removing it off. The 100th year in the sense it was only 1 year. I am just removing it off. 25 minus 1, so it becomes 24 leap years. So it becomes, how many leap years are there? So it becomes now 24. That means what it says, from 1 to 100 we are having 24 leap years. Then if from 1 to 100, if 24 leap years are there, the remaining will be what? 76. That means 76 normal years are there. And 24 leap years are there. I am just repeating the point. One normal year has one odd or extra day. One leap year has 2 odd days or 2 extra days. We just take this point. Now we will calculate how many extra days are there for 100 years. How many extra days? So here I am splitting this 100 years into two types of years. All leap years aside, one side, and all normal years one side. One leap year has 24. One year has 2 odd days. For 24 leap years, 48. For 24 into 2 you should do. You will get 48 extra days or odd days. Similarly, one for one normal year, one extra day. For 76 years, 76 normal years, you are getting 76 extra normal days. So 48 plus 76. So the total gives here of 24. 124. If you are just see here to find extra days, extra days, or how many odd days are there, you just need to divide that number by 7. If it is more than 7, you just divide that by 7. So if you are dividing, so what the remainder will be getting here is 5. So the remainder here you are getting as 5. What it means, you just need to take the remainder 5. So for 100 years we are having 5 extra days or 5 odd days. So that is what here written now. So for 100 years we have 5 extra days or 5 odd days. Both are of same. So I hope you have understood this particular slide. So for 100 years, how many extra days we are having? 5 extra days or 5 odd days. Now let's see for its continuation here. So if now we have found in previous slide, we have found for 100 years how many extra days or how many extra days for 100 years. Similarly, we have to now find for 200, 300 and for 400. So we'll just see for 200 how many days extra we are having, for 300 how much, for 400 how much we are having. So taking 100 as a base, for 100 it is 5, for 200 it will be 100 plus 100. So it is 5 plus 5, 10. So is 10 more than 7 or less than 7? Obviously it is more than 7. You just need to divide that by 7. So remainder will get, just take the remainder. Just you have to take the remainder. Remainder is 3. Likewise the same for 300 years. 100 plus 100 plus 100. 5 plus 5 plus 5. It gives 15. Again it is more than 7. Divide by 7. You will get here 1 as remainder. Similarly practicing for 4 even. For 4 times 100 it gives 400 of total. 4 times 5 it gives 20. It gives 20. Why here plus 1? Why here plus 1? Because you see, century year, 100th year is a normal year. Normal year it is. Now even second 200th year is also normal, which has 365 days. Even 100th year also has 365 days if it is not a leap year. So again 300th year is also a normal year, which has 365 days. But 400th year has 366 days. That is a difference. You see the difference. It is a difference of plus 1. If it is a difference of plus 1. Increment to, that is increased to 400th year. That is 400th year having 366 days. The plus 1 I have taken here. The plus 1 I have just taken here. Plus 1 I have taken here. 20 plus 1 it gives 21 of total. It is more than 7. So I am dividing that by 7. So it is here now we are getting what? The remainder 0. I hope you have understood this particular calculation. This is all not a max. It is just concept. From this particular slide, what you have to take in the sense for 100. You just remember this. For 100 it is 5. For 200 it is 3. 300 it is 1. 400 it is 0. From the calculation, I have just derived all of the calculations and I have put here the numbers. It is not a code or nothing. It is just a final answer. It's constant answers they are of. No need to learn any of the codes. You just need to remember these things. For 100 it is 5, 200 it is 3. For 300 1, 400 it is 0. 400 it is 0. Again here see. 4th century year is a leap year. Correct? 4th century year is a leap year. The same. If for 4th century year is a leap year, this 400 will be applicable for 800, 1200, 1600, 2000 and this also. See here, you take 4 ones a table, multiply that with 100, you will get 400. Likewise for 4 2s are, 4 3s are, 4 4s are, 4 5s are, 4 6 are. Whatever the answers you are getting, multiply that for with 100, and those particular years are having 0 extra days. From this what we can conclude, again I am taking a summary. For 100 years we are having 5 extra days. For 200 we are having 3 extra days. For 300 we are having 1 extra day. For 400 we are having 0 extra days. Now just let's move on for the next part. Now this is all about the concept if to solve or to find day for any of the given date. To find date, if date is given, if date is given from the concept discussed till now, that can be used to get day easily. Day easily. I'll show how it is. I've just put all the points, the required points, whatever you want. I've just put those points. These points are used to solve the question. So for just counting how many extra days, monthly wise if you are taking, we are having 29 extra days. For normal year, for leap year if you are taking, we are having 30 extra days. For 100 years we are having 5 extra days. For 200 3 extra days. For 300 1 extra day, and for 400 it is 0 extra days. Now we'll just solve one small basic question. It is too simple, not much big calculation or big thing in this. So if today is Monday, if I'm just taking for example, if today is Monday, what is the day after? What is the day here after 7 days? What is the day after 7 days? So what is the day after 7 days if you are taking? Right here Monday, I have just written here for an explanation. See here, after 7 days, today is Monday, what is the day after 7 days? So leave that particular day, start counting from next day. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That means leave that day, leave this particular, the given day. You just leave the given day, start counting from the next day. Again from here if you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 day, what is the day? It is again the same day. That means every day repeats after period of 7 days. After period of 7 days it is repeated after 7 days. Okay, you just after 5 days what it is. After 5 days, if they are asking what is a day, in the sense, if today is Monday, to 7th day it is Monday only. 7th day it is again Monday. 5th day from 7 you just go back, go in a decrement, go downwards. From 7 you go to 6. If today is Monday, 6 will be Sunday. 6 is Sunday. 5th day, after 5th day what is the day? It is Saturday. If it is Saturday, it is Saturday. After 8 days if they are asking, from 7 go till 7, you will get to know 7th day is Monday only. For 8, what day? Monday plus 1. Here plus 1. That is from after 8 days till 7 it is Monday only. For 8 you need plus 1. So Monday plus 1 it is Tuesday. Plus you are just adding 1 day extra. Add 1 day. Add a day. You will get easy answer. Answers. So I hope you have understood this particular slide. Now let's solve some of the questions based on this particular concept. How the questions will be asked, we'll just see all of them. Now let me go on for next slide. Here you see, if today is Monday, I've just taken the same one. If today is Monday, what is the day after? First question, 25 days, 247 days, 72 days, 61 days. So let me solve the first one. You also try to solve. Whatever the doubts you are having, you just put in the comment section, and if you are getting answer, please do put it is correct. Thank you. Now we'll just see here for 25 days. Simple, you just divide it by 7. So what is the remainder that you will be getting? 4. The remainder that you are getting here is 4. That means 7 3s are 21. 25 minus 21 is remainder 4. So remainder 4 it is. After remainder 4, in the sense, you from 21st day is Monday. 24, 22, 23, 24, 25 go. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Here what is the day? For 25th day is Friday. That's it. Nothing extra. 21st is Monday. From there you go plus 1. From there you go plus 1. Here plus 1. Here plus 1 day plus 1 day. Okay, you are getting Friday as answer. Now for a second question, let's solve. You also try to solve for 247 days. What is a day after 247 days? What is a day after 247 days? So take that and divide by 7. Divide by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. 7 threes are 21. 3 goes this side, it becomes 37. 37. So in the sense 3 5s are 35. 37 minus 35 is 2. The remainder here is 2 in the sense if first day is Monday. See here, let me say 245th day. 245th day is Monday. See here, take this 2 subtract here. Take this 2 subtract here. That particular day is Monday. That particular day is Monday. Whatever the remainder you are getting, subtract here. That particular day is Monday. 246th day is Tuesday. 247th day is what day? Wednesday. That's it. This simple it is. No calculation, nothing extra. No big calculation. Now for 72 days, what it is? Divide just by 7. You will get here balance 2. 7 tens are 78 is balance is 2. Fine. Now remaining part is day. Take this and subtract here. 70th day is subtract here. 72 minus 2. 70. 70th day is what day? Monday it is. 70th day is Monday. Again. Now 71st day is what? Tuesday. 72nd day is 72th day is what? Wednesday. 72th day is what? Wednesday. So the answer is this. Now let us solve the same for 61 days. 61 days. Divided by 7. Divided by 7. So if you are dividing 7 nines are 7 into 9, it is 63. But here it is 61. So take this 63th day. 63. You can do anyhow. You can do like this also. You can do like this also. You can do like this also. Whatever is convenient for you, you can take that. 63th day is what day? Again, it is Monday only. 63 day is Monday. 63 day is Monday. Go minus back. 63 is Monday. 62 is what day? Sunday. 62 is Sunday. 61 is Saturday. 61 is Saturday. Or what you can do? 7 ones are 7. 8 is 56. 7 8 are 56. 56 minus 61 minus 56. If you are solving, what is the remainder that you will be getting? 5. You will be getting the remainder 5. That means subtract 61 minus 5. What you are getting? 56. 56th day is what day it is? Monday. 57th day is what day? Tuesday. 58th day is what day? Wednesday. 59th day is what day? Again it is Thursday. 60th day is Friday. 61st day is Saturday. Both are same. You can take any of the step. So fine, you can go plus 1. You can go in addition format or you can go in subtraction format. That is up to you. Whatever you feel easy, that you can take for. Now let us solve for next type of question. See here. To find the date, to find the day name for any of the date, for any date, you just need to follow a small and simple procedure, nothing extra. So what is the date they have given? 15th August 15th August 1947. Go take the year first, take year 1947. 1 year back you should go, subtract 1 year just for this, take that, subtract 1 year, 1946 it becomes. Now split this into two parts, how you have to split? Here you see 800 0, 1200 0, 1600 0, 2000 0. You should take that particular number. In this particular series you take that particular number which is lesser than 1946, and closer to 1946. I feel I am getting 1600 as that particular number, so I am splitting that 1947 plus 346. Again you split for the remaining ones, the remaining 346. For 346 again you see here, in this particular which is lesser and closer to 346, that is 300. So I am splitting this 300 plus 46. Now for 300 it is 1. 300 for 300 what is the answer here? 1. I am just taking 301. For 600 it is 1600, it is 0. For 46 years, in 46 years, now this 46 whatever, in 46 years how many leap years are there, how many ordinary years are there? You just need to calculate that. So 46 divided by 4 you do one time, and here what you will get? 1. 11 leap years are there. 11 leap years in the sense, balance is how much? 44 minus 11, that is, what is the answer? 33. 33 normal years, 35 normal years, 11 leap years. 35 normal years, 11 leap years. So 1 leap year has how many extra days? 1 leap year has how many extra days here? 2 extra days. 11 leap year having 2. 11 leap year having 22 extra days. 11 into 2 it gives 22. For 35 it is 35 into 1. That means for normal year, here for leap year will be having 35. Add both of them, or you can here only divide by 7. Here divide this 22 by 7, here divide by, if you are here in this particular step, wherever you see the number more than 7, you just divide that by 7. Here you will get the remainder 1. 22 divided by 7 is the remainder 1. Here 35 divided by 7 is the remainder 0. So add now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. This 1 you write here. So in this entire series 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now will come for August 15. Now check for this actual one. 1 year back 1946 you have solved. Now check for 1947 a leap year or not. If it is not a leap year, take this 29. Take this 29. Okay. Now I have told in a previous slide that for January it has 3 odd days, 3 extra days, 0. For February it comes 28 minus 28, 0. For March it will be 3 extra days. Likewise, calculate till not August, go 1 month back. Till July you calculate. So if you are calculating till the month of July, what answer you will get? You will get 13. You can try calculating from January 3, 0, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Yes. So what is the total here? Not 13 it is. Here it is 16. You will get a total of 16. 3, 4 times 3 it is there. 4 times 3 in the sense 12. 2 times 4 it is 4. 16. So you are having here 16. So 16. The total here is 16. So what is the date here? 15. For in August month till July you take. In coming to August, what is the month date here? Take that 15. Add both of them. The answer is what? 31. Divide this by 7. Divide it by 7. What is the remainder that you are getting? Can you see the remainder here? What is the remainder? The remainder here is 3. The remainder here is 3. Add both of them. 2 plus 3. What is the answer? 2 plus 3. What is the answer? 5. 5 in the sense what is the day? It is Friday. According to our code, it is Friday. Monday is 1. If you are taking Tuesday is 2. Thursday, Wednesday 3. Thursday 4. Friday is what day? 5th day. So here we got the answer. Is this now easy? Are you feeling easy? The same now let's calculate for the Republic Day 26 January 1950. Let's start solving. First take year, go 1 year back, go just 1 year back 1949. 1949, either you can write in the horizontal way like this or you can split here like this. 1600 I am splitting closer to that particular the 1949, 349 here left out. Again I will split this 349 into two parts, 300 and here 49. Again 300 gives 1. For in 49 years, how many leap years are there? Just divide by 4. If you are dividing here by 4, you will get 1, 2. 12 leap years are there. 12 leap years in the sense 24. 12 into 2. 12 into 2. Again 49 minus 12, just find out this 7, 1, 7, 3. 37 normal years, 12 leap years. So 12 into 2 is 24, comma, for this, and 37 into 1, it gives 37 days. Now 24 plus 37, separate, divide here by 7, divide here by 7. So what is the remainder here? 3. The remainder here is 3. The remainder here is 2. Add both of this remainder. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Let us keep this aside. Now January it is. January in the sense first month. January in first month itself. What is the day? So before January there was nothing. Before 1950 is a check here, 1950 year is not a leap year. 1950 year is not a leap year. So it is a first month. January is what? First month. That means it is here January. It is here January. Before this month, no month was existed. December will come, but after completion of January only it will come. But before January, January is only first. In first month, what is the date here? What is the date here? 26. Correct? 26. 26 plus here what you have got? 1 plus 3 plus 2, 5. What is the date here? 6 it is. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 5 here. Both here both it is 5. Here it is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 26 plus 6 how much it is? 26 plus 6 how much it is? 32. 32 divided by 7 if you are doing 32 divided by 7. What is the remainder that you will be getting? Remainder is 4. 4 in the sense according to our code. What is the day? It is Thursday. You can check online. It is correct answer. This much. Simple calculation. It is no big deal in this. So you don't need to remember even the codes. Just these two formula, these two numbers. If you can remember, all the calculation becomes too easy and dead easy for you to calculate any day for given date. Fine. Now let's go for next question. So here it is again. What is the day on? What is the day on 28th December 2059. 2059 simple it is. Just take the year, go 1 year back. 59 it is, go 2058. Split this into two parts. Lesser and closer to 2058 is 2058 this side, 58 here it is. Split this leap years and normal years. If no here, say if 2003 58 is not there, just fine. Final last 2 years you just split how many leap years, how many ordinary years are there. In 58 years how many ordinary years are there, you just check. 58 divided by 4. 4 1s are 2s are 1s are not like 1s are 4s are. So 14 leap years are there. 14 leap years in the sense 58 minus 14. So what is the answer? 4 and 4. So 44 normal years, 14 leap years into 2 you do here. What the answer you will get? 28. here into 1 you do, you will get 44. Again here itself divide by 7. So what is the balance that you will be getting here? For 28 minus 7 is 0. The remainder is 0. 4 7s are 28. Here the balance that you will be getting for 44. 7 6 are 42. 42 in the sense 44 minus 42. The remainder is 2. Here, so 0 plus 2. What is the thing for 0 plus 2? The balance is 2. For the entire, for 2000 it is 0. For 2000 it is 0. For 58 you are having, it is 58. Don't get confused. 58 it is. 0 plus 2 is just 2. 28th December. 28th December. Check this particular year is a leap year or not. It is not a leap year. It is normal year. Now the total days for normal year is 29. I have total extra days in a year is this 29. Now what you do is take this 29. For December will always have 31 days. You should remember this. If it is 31 days, it will be having 3 extra days. Correct? If it is having 3 extra days for December. For December it has 3 extra days. Now from this, like 29, from this 29, subtract 3. Subtract what? 3. Subtract what? 3. You will get the balance here 26. So from January 3, 0, 3, 2, 3 till November if you are adding. You need to just add previous year. Till November if you are adding, you will get the answer 26. I have just done in a reverse way. 26. So 26 again you can divide this by 7. If you want to divide here, you can divide it here. So what I'll do, instead of like dividing, I'll take 26. Here I got 26. What is the date in December? 28 they are asking. Plus 28. 26 plus 28. What is the answer that you will be getting? It is 54. Again this, once you divide here, 54 divided by 7. It is more than 7 now. Divide by 7. So what is the remainder you are getting here for this remainder? What is the remainder that you will be getting? So we will be getting a remainder of 5. 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 54 minus 49. The balance is what? 5. The balance is 5. Add that particular balance here. 5 plus 2. What is the answer? 5 plus 2. What is the answer? 7. If it is 7 according to our code, what is the date? It is Sunday it is. So I told, if it is equal to 7, divide that by 7. If it is equal or more than 7, divide that by 7. Again you will get the balance. Remainder is 0. 0 and 7 both codes for Sunday only. So the answer for this particular one is Sunday. So now we'll start for the next question, the fourth question. So now we'll start for second question. So take the date. What is the date given? 15th November 2018. Take the year, go 1 year back. 2017 I'm gone. Split these two parts. 2000 here 17. In 17 years, how many leap years are there? Divide 17 by 4. What is how many leap years we will get? We will get around some 4 leap years. 4 leap years, correct? 4 4s are 16. Okay. So 17 minus 4, what is the answer? 13. Here 4. If you are adding, you should get 17 here back. So 4 leap years in the sense it will become 8. Here it will become into 2 I have done into 1 here for 13. So if you divide by 7. You can add and later also you can divide. Now only I am dividing. It makes me easy. 1 plus balance here how much? Balance here is 6. So the total is 7. 7 divided by 7, here it becomes 0. I will just put entire year is 0. No need to take again for me for year. Year is gone. So November it is. November 15th. 2018th year is not a leap year. I have checked here. 2018th year is not a leap year. 2016th year is a leap year. 2018th year is not a leap year. And it is not even divisible by 4. You will get the balance remainder 2. Fine. So if it is not a leap year, for normal year, what is the count I have told? Like how many extra days? 29 I have told. In 29, for December is 3 extra days you will get. For November you will get 2 extra days. Okay, November is 30 days, December 31 days. Add this 5. Total is 5. So subtract here 5. Subtract here for I am removing from this total December and November. 29 minus 5, what is the answer? You will get 24. 24. Now this 24, no, it is 24. Now you have removed the December and November here. November plus December 5 we are getting. That we are removing this from the total. November and December removed. Now till the month of October, if you are adding all the 3 to all the extra days of a month, if you will get 24. Till the month of October it is 24. Now for November, what is the date here? 15. Add 15. 24 plus 15, what is the total sum? Just saving. Here it is 9, 3, 39. It is a total one. Here it is a total. Now here for 0, here take from here, what is the number, what is the final answer? We have got 0. 0 plus 39 is 0 only. So divide this by 7. Divide this by 7. What is the remainder that you are getting? The remainder is 4. 4 in the sense, what day it is according to our code? What day it is? It is Thursday. It is Thursday. Yes, you can check in the internet or online for all the dates we have solved. It is all random dates. You can take any of the date, no matter what it is. You can take 10,000 years after, 2,000 years backward. It is up to you. You can take any of the date and try to put this particular concept. You will get definitely an answer. No need of learning any codes. Basic simple concept, if you know, you can solve all the questions. Now let's go for the next questions. You also can try to solve, you can solve 3 questions. You can solve first for your birthday date, next your parents' birth date, next your friend's birth date, or next you can take any of the random date and solve these 4 questions perfectly. Then you can solve, you can find the day for any given date. So fine, let's go for next ones. Now here you see what is the day on 15th Feb 2007. 15th Feb 2007. 15th Feb 2007. Take the year, go 1 year back. 2006. I've gone -1. I've done here 2006. 2000. For 2000 it is 0 only. For 2000 it is 0. In 6 years, how many leap years are there? Only 1 leap year are there. 1 leap year remaining here 5. So into 1, into 2 here, into 1 for this, into 1 for this, it becomes 2 here. Here becomes 5. 5 plus 2, it is what? 7. 7 divided by 7, it is 0. Remainder for me is 0. Okay. If it is equal to 7, even then you divide by 7. Okay. Now February 7th year is not a leap year. 7th year is not a leap year, and February 15th it is. February 15th year. For January, what is the extra day? How many extra days we are having? 3 extra days. For in February month, what is date here? Plus 15, plus 15, plus 15. 8 total 18. Total is what? 18. Just that much. 18 plus 0, you just take this here. 18 plus 0 is 18 itself. 18 divided by 7. What is the remainder you will be having? The remainder is 4. 18 minus 14. 18 minus 14, the remainder is 4. Now 4 in the sense, according to our code, what is the day it is? It is Thursday. The answer for this, it is Thursday. Okay. Now let's solve for the second question. Now let's solve for the second next question, that is the sixth one. 15th January 1857. 1957, 19 you have solved. You can take any of the date. Comment your answers in the comment section, and please do say yes, this particular concept is working. Commenting yes, I've got the answer, and if not, please do check the video once again. You'll definitely end up with correct answer for sure. This entire process, here I am explaining you and I am solving. I'm taking 2 to 3 minutes. If you are solving all on your own, understanding this 2 into 1, all of them, I'll just show how fast you can solve this particular question without using code, just with this particular concept. So here it is 1857. I'm going 1 year back, 1856, splitting 2 parts. 1600 nearer, 256 here. Again splitting here, 256. Here it is for 3. Here in this 56 divided by 4 is 1 za 4 za 1 za 4 za 14, 56, 2 4 2 4 42. So 14 leap years, 14, 42, 28. 28 divided by 7, 0. 42 by 7, 0. Okay. The total here is 0. Only plus 3. Okay. Now January it is. January first month it is. First month only it is. Previous that no month was there. So I'll take directly 15. 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3 what is 18. 18 divided by 4. It is remainder 4. It is Thursday. It is Thursday. It is Thursday. See here. Thursday. Just to make you understand, I have written this particular code, or else I would have directly written 3 and end up ending with, I would have come to directly this particular step. Now let me see whether this particular answer is correct or wrong. Just let me check. 15th Jan 1857. 15th Jan 1857. Just a second, let me see. Yes, it is correct. Yes, it is correct. You can go for any of the date, no matter what date it is, what era it is, what period it is. You just apply this particular concept, you will definitely end up with correct answer. So now thank you for watching this particular video. Let me come back from the starting in a concluding part, what we have learned and how we have gone through. So in a first slide we have learned what are the types of year in a month, how many days are there, from that how many months are there, how many days are there for each month, and we have seen the codes for week. It's a code. It is a what? It is a code. Code for all the days in a week. Next we have seen extra days calculation, how it is done for 1 year. Next we have seen these 3 points. Century year, divisible by law, how to find a leap year, whether it is a leap year or not. 4th century is a leap year or not, that we have seen. Every 4th century is a leap year, that we have seen, and its examples. And again, every month having how many extra days in a year, those separately we have calculated, and we have summed it here for 29 and 30. Here whatever the questions I have solved in the in this particular video, it is all for normal years. Leap year you just try to solve and get me an answer in the comment section that you are able to solve, and it is easy. So now next, for 100 years we have calculated how many extra days, and in the next part, taking base as 100 base for 100 years, we have calculated for 200, from 100 we have calculated 200, 300, and for 400, and from there we have moved on for next concept, that is for this one, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. Finding the day after period of days. For after 7 days, what is a day? After 8 days, what is a day? We have seen this basic concept here in this, and again we have solved the questions for after 20. If today is Monday, what is the day after 75 days? And after 247 days, what is a day? After 72 days, what is a day? And 61 days, what is a day? We have seen this. Now next, and in the next part we started solving the questions. We started solving what? The questions, finding the day for a given dates. Likewise we have solved some of the examples, and finally I am concluding this particular video. The remaining part, and I'll try to cover the entire part of calendars concept in the next class. I'll just brief all of them. If anybody wants to start with the UPSC preparation and preparing for the batch of 2026, or you are preparing for 2027, you can please do contact us through this particular mail or through the WhatsApp number that is displayed over here in this particular slide. So thank you from Akasha Garuda. My name is Chandru, concluding this particular class for calendars concept. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.